इन राहों के सफर में विश्वास की लहर है। इन राहों के सफर में विश्वास की लहर है, पर कभी ये विश्वास ही मंजिल से जुदा ना कर दे। पर कभी ये विश्वास ही मंजिल से जुदा ना कर दे कि चढ़ते हैं विश्वास ही से ऊंचाइयों पे, कि चढ़ते हैं विश्वास ही से ऊंचाइयों पे, पर कभी गिर ना जाए खुद ही के एतबार पे। Good morning and welcome back, friends, to another episode of Money Mindset Mastery with Vikas Joshi. Friends, we have started this series with the sole purpose of growth, for the change of mindset from restricted mindset to the growth mindset, from financial accumulation to financial stability. And we have in the process learned many things. The first of all was to set up the goals and then to put up the path to reach the goals. How to reach the goals? We have planned the activity. We in the process realized our strength and weaknesses. We started working on our strengths and also took the weaknesses as the opportunities to learn from, so as that can be turned into strengths. As we proceeded further, we realized that the important term of limiting beliefs is the main part, I should say it is the crux of all this series. That these limiting beliefs which have been ingrained not because of you but by you unknowingly, मन में घर बना के रखे हुए हैं, which you could not take them to the logical end, are now become the principal barriers for your success part, for your growth part. So we address round about say 64, 65 limiting beliefs. जो कुछ भी मैं सोच सकता था मैंने लिख दिया. इतने सारे लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स हो सकते हैं, धारणाएं मन में हो सकती है, छोटी सी भी. Now, on addressing the limiting beliefs, before we revise on those important limiting beliefs which become the major part in maximum of us, before coming to that part, one part is also important, that there are certain beliefs that we carry among us. But those beliefs, if they cross a limit, now they become the barrier for your success. Now these beliefs, that is to say overconfidence, ये एक है, the best example. Confidence है, ये अच्छी बात है. That is not restricting you. Overconfidence, it may pull you down at any point of time. मतलब सक्सेस आते आते हार जाओगे. So I thought we should have a full knowledge of what we should not cross. Confidence होना बड़ी अच्छी बात है. एक thin line of difference between confidence and overconfidence, और ये हो जाता है. So we'll be starting with these series whereby people have the capacities but they overgrow them and now they are facing the problem of failure. और अरे मेरे को तो सब आ रहा था लेकिन ऐसे कैसे हो गया, ये ऐसे कैसे हो गया, बिकॉज तुम्हें अहम आ गया. यू स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग दैट यू आर द बिगर वन. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया. ऐसे कई चीजें हैं जो हमें मन में धाराएं, हमारे स्किल्स है. वी ऑलवेज से मुझे सब आता है. आता है तब तक ठीक है, बट व्हेन यू क्रॉस द लिमिट, सब कुछ मेरे को आता है, मैं आई एम द वन हु इज अवेयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, नाउ दैट इज ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस. ऐसी कई धाराएं हैं that have specified some things. So as we embark on our journey of personal and professional development, it is essential to acknowledge and address the beliefs that uplift us yet possess the potential to hinder our growth. While confidence and self-assurance are undeniably powerful forces, they can sometimes morph into barriers, subtly impeding our progress and stifling our potential. These beliefs, born from past successes or deeply ingrained convictions, have the deceptive allure of empowerment, leading us to overlook their shadow side. The tendency to breed complacency, blind blind spots, and resistance to change. Thus, in our pursuit of growth and fulfillment, it becomes imperative to confront these beliefs head on, to peel back the layers of overconfidence and arrogance, and to cultivate a mindset grounded in humility, self awareness, and openness to learning. Only by addressing this belief can we truly unlock our full potential and embark on a path of continuous growth and evolution. Hence, as we journey through life, sustained by beliefs that uplift and empower us, it's imperative to recognize that even our most cherished convictions can sometimes transform into barriers of our growth. बहुत concern है ये तो. These beliefs, which initially fuel our confidence and propel us forward, can subtly entrench themselves by blinding us to the limitations they impose and hindering our progress. मैंने कहा कि कॉन्फिडेंस का और कॉन्फिडेंस में जाने से we will be facing many issues or we may face failure also. Now, this similarly, the shackles of limiting beliefs, those insidious whispers of doubt and fear, further compound this challenge, constraining our potential and stifling our aspirations. Thus, it is not merely beneficial but essential also to confront both the beliefs that lift up and those that hold us back. The hold us back was the limiting belief. The beliefs that lift us up, but if we carry forward blindfold, we move on from confidence to overconfidence, and the game is over for us. By doing so, we embrace the mindset and our journey towards personal and professional fulfillment. We also embrace the necessity of introspection, acknowledging the intricate interplay between our mindset and our journey towards personal and professional fulfillment. Only by addressing this belief with honesty and courage can we pave the way for genuine growth, liberation from self-imposed constraints, and the realization of our full potential, true potential. So beliefs that lift you up yet become barriers for your growth are those convictions that initially empower and motivate you, but when taken on to an extreme or left unchecked, can hinder your progress and development. These beliefs often stem from positive attributes such as confidence, self worth, ambition, but can manifest as obstacles when they overshadow other important aspects of personal growth. They may include, while these beliefs may initially provide a sense of empowerment and motivation, they can ultimately impede growth and hinder fulfillment if not balanced with humility, adaptability, and a growth mindset. Recognizing and addressing these potential barriers is essential for fostering continuous self awareness, resilience, and personal growth. Now, when we address these beliefs, it will help us to prevent complacency. Believing too strongly in your abilities can lead to complacency. That can be stopped. It will promote self awareness, recognizing that overconfidence can blind you to your weakness and areas of improvement, hindering self development, awareness, personal development. Encourage lifelong learning processes. Overconfidence can lead to decision or wrong decision making. So, when you recognize that there is always more to learn for, it fosters a growth mindset. Enhance the decision making process. Again, the overconfidence, मुझे सब कुछ आता है, मेरा ही सब कुछ बराबर होता है. ये जो overconfidence है, that may lead to a poor decision making, maybe wrong decision, maybe a hearsay decision, not a logical one. So this can affect your personal and professional life directly. Decision आपका गलत है तो natural effect immediately होगा. Now this will help in if we address these beliefs. Again, I'm stating the beliefs that are uplifting you. When they cross a certain limit, they are now becoming hindrances. We are talking on those beliefs. So, if we address this belief, this will also foster the collaborative process, collaboration. Arrogance and overconfidence can alienate others. Arrogance आ गया मैं खुद मैं इतना तो तुम अकेले रह जाओगे. Teamwork किधर है? Where did you get taken on the team? Now that confidence was turned into overconfidence, and the capacities which you were having, you projected them as if you are the only one who is having that. In the process, the teamwork fell out. No one is coming along. So the collaboration have messed up. Now this addressing of these beliefs will cultivate the formation of adaptability process. That is, being overly confident in your past successes may make you resistant to change and innovation, stifling your ability to adapt to the new challenges and opportunities. नहीं, मैं पिछला ऐसा ही था, मैंने ऐसा किया था, मुझे मालूम है क्या करना है. So you are stifling your future progress. नए एडेप्शन आपको लेना चाहिए ना, नई चीजें आपको सीखनी चाहिए. World is changing every day. You have to adapt to the circumstances. Take the experience of the past, but don't be in the past, because that is not going to help you to create your better future. Your experience should help you to be in the learning mode. Adapt yourself to the changed circumstances. That is necessity. This will help you in maintaining relationships. They are most important, friends. Maintaining of relationship gives you wonderful result. So the arrogance and overconfidence can strain the relationship. Natural है, सब मैं हूँ करते रहोगे. लोग बोलेंगे ठीक है यार, तू तेरा है तो कर ले, फिर हम तो जाते हैं बाद में. They spoil the good relationships and undermine the trust both personally and professionally. लोगों का विश्वास खो जाएगा. They will not believe in you. सब मुंह पे तुमको हाँ हाँ बोलेंगे, मन से कोई आएगा नहीं साथ में. Leading to isolation and conflict. So addressing these beliefs is a necessity to ensure that you maintain a balanced perspective, remain open to the growth and learning, collaborate effectively with others, and cultivate meaningful relationships. It allows you to navigate challenges with humility and resilience, ultimately facilitating your continued personal and professional development. That is what is required, friends. Now, why these beliefs? Now, we have already addressed the limiting beliefs. Now, these beliefs are those beliefs which you are having. These are good ones if you are having till a certain extent. The moment you cross that fine line, these very beliefs, which are considered to be the positive or the good beliefs, are now becoming a hindrance. We will be addressing these beliefs belief by belief. मतलब हर पार्ट में एक ऐसा बिलीफ, जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको कहा, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड कॉन्फिडेंस. See, confidence, a positive thing you should have. Overconfidence, it will pull you back. It will spoil everything. Your self-development will be restricted. So friends, we are starting this from today. I have explained what these beliefs are and how we will be attending them. इसीलिए मैंने कहा, इन राहों के सफर में विश्वास की लहर है. हमने विश्वास के साथ चालू किया है. इन राहों के सफर में विश्वास की लहर है, पर कभी ये विश्वास ही मंजिल से जुदा ना कर दे. कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया तो हम मंजिल की तरफ पहुंचने से पहले डूब जाएंगे. इसीलिए कहा, इन राहों के सफर में विश्वास की लहर है, पर कभी ये विश्वास ही मंजिल से जुदा ना कर दे, कि चढ़ते हैं विश्वास ही से हम ऊंचाई पे, कि चढ़ते हैं विश्वासी से हम ऊंचाई पे, पर कभी गिर न जाए खुदी के एतबार में। इतना भी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट मत हो जाओ कि तुम जो कर रहे थे वहीं से आप गिर जाओगे। I sign off on this note, friends, and we meet again in another episode of Money Mindset Master with Vikas Joshi. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy the day, friends. Enjoy the life. It is a one time activity. Do enjoy.